Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and for top clearance security reasons, we are not going to mention his real name. We're just going to call him Bob. And I can't have him talk either because we don't have voice altering technology here on our phone. So we're just going to have him shake his head like this for yes and like this for no. And but you can hear all of his ecstasy noises that he makes when he gets his adjustment still, including the cracks for all you crack addicts. This is going to be a top secret chiropractic adjustment video. Okay, Bob, let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me. And then neutral. Okay. Head's a little bit forward and to the right. Still there, Bob. Pelvis is right down the middle, though. Does your top secret work involve alien technology? Oh, okay. Okay, butt right here, head up this way. The aliens might want your technology, though. There we go. I'm not going to ask any more top secret questions, so you guys can think if you can guess who it is. I'm not saying. Bob's still kicking, so that's before the adjustment. We'll check him afterwards too. Okay, so if you can breathe through that little nose hole in your mask. There you go. Yes, sir. The only other patient I've ever adjusted in a mask was Michael Myers. Woo, boy. Crack addict's gonna love that one. Perfect. Good job. Michael Myers promised he wouldn't stab us if I gave him a good adjustment, so I gave him the ring finger for Halloween, actually. If you haven't seen that video, that was done on Halloween. We put that up on Halloween. What's that, October 30th? We don't really celebrate Halloween, but we put that up anyway. Legs, left leg is tiny bit, about 1/8 of an inch short, stays even there. That didn't tighten up too bad, does it, Bob? Oh, there's a clue. There we go. Yes. Yes, sir. Okay. There. Good. Legs are even. That's good. Stay even. There you go. Did that hurt anywhere, Bob? Okay, good. Yes, sir. Okay, let's turn you on your back now, please. Good job. That's it. Okay, now put both arms straight out to the side for me. There we go. There you go. Good. Relax your hands right there for me, please, sir. There we go. Good. There you go. Good. Okay, now let's cinch up the saddle weight today. Okay. You know, we don't care what you do for a living or where you come from. If you've got a spine, you need to get checked by a chiropractor for subluxations. And you need, only the spineless don't get adjusted. I've had that saying for a long time. So if you have a spine, you need to be under chiropractic care. Because gravity's here with us every day, all day, and we're standing, sitting, sleeping, moving, lifting, bending, twisting in gravity. And your spine is either strong and stable biomechanically with gravity where the joints are holding you up, like the pillars out here holding up the beltway, or if it's forward and unstable, it wears and tears on the spine and causes degenerative disc disease, degenerative joint disease, which is also known as osteoarthritis. Okay, Bob, let's have another look here now. Flex forward and backwards. And then neutral, yes sir. Okay. There we go. They'll be thinking this is a terrorist video. Okay, let's have you flex your head forward and backwards. And then neutral. Good, that looks good, Bob. Do you feel better than when you walked in the door? All right, great. We'll get back to your top secret work and we'll see you next time.
Thanks.
Great, this is your Houston chiropractor coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.